Hi everyone, myself Dr. P. Soumya, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. In this session, I'm going to cover the topic air and noise pollution. So, in this session, I'm going to cover the topics environment pollution. What is environment pollution? What is air pollution? What are the causes and effects of air pollution? And what are the causes and effects of noise pollution? So we will know about the what is environmental pollution. So this is introduction about environmental pollution. So for normal and healthy living, a conductive environment is required. So the conductive environment is very essential for normal and healthy living. So this is the conductive environment is required by all living beings, including humans, livestock, and plants and wildlife, and also microorganisms. So everything living beings, including humans, livestock, microorganisms, wildlife, and plants, these needs for normal and healthy living. So these needs conductive environment. So here the favorable unpolluted environment. The favorable unpolluted environment, it has a specific composition. So the favorable unpolluted environment, has a specific composition. It is having a specific composition. So when this composition gets changed by addition of harmful substances. So this is the favorable unpolluted environment. The environment should have specific composition. So when this composition gets changed by the addition of harmful substances, so the environment is called polluted environment. So when this composition of environment, the specific composition of environment, it may change by the addition of harmful substances. So that environment is called as polluted environment. The substances which are used for polluting environment, these are called as pollutants. So here this is the definition of environmental pollution. Any desirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of any component of environment. So environment. So here we are having environment. In the different components of environment are air, water, soil. Any undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of any component of environment, so which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life or property, it is known as environmental pollution. Any undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of any component of the environment. Components we are having air, water, soil, so which can cause harmful effects on various living things, various forms of life, and this property, it is known as environmental pollution. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about air pollution and noise pollution. So this is introduction about air pollution. Air pollution, it is a global issue with detrimental effects on public health and the environment. So it is affecting on public health and also the environment. So this presentation aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the causes, impacts, and solutions of air pollution. So what is air pollution? This air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air such as particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, many gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So many harmful gases and particulate matter. So these are, if these are present in air, so that is called as polluted air. That air is called as polluted air. So here air pollution, it refers to the presence of harmful substances, harmful substances in the air, so such as particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, many harmful gases. So here these pollutants can originate from natural sources or human activities. So these pollutants, this can produce from natural sources, also human activities. Oh, what are the sources of air pollution? The primary source of air pollution, so these include industrial emissions. So industrial emissions, so these are the primary source of air pollution. So here and also vehicle exhaust, vehicle emissions, so and agriculture activities and burning of fossil fuels. So primary sources of air pollution are industrial emissions, industrial emissions and vehicle emissions, and also agriculture activities, agriculture activities, burning of fossil fuels, burning of fossil fuels. So these are primary sources of air pollutions: industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, agriculture activities, and burning of fossil fuels. And understanding these sources, it is a crucial for effective mitigation strategies. So the understanding these sources, it is a crucial for effective mitigation strategies. So what are the effects? What are the impacts on health environment? So by the air pollution. So here first is the health impacts. So exposure to air pollution. So when we expose to the air pollution, this can lead to a range of health problems, including respiratory diseases, cardiovascular, cardiovascular issues, and even premature death. So when exposure, this is exposure to air pollution, this can lead to large, it is a range of health. It's a it is a lead to a range of health problems, including respiratory diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and even premature death. So this is very high, it is having high impact on vulnerable populations. So such as children and the elderly, these are particularly at risk. So by health impacts are, so we will get respiratory diseases, cardiovascular issues, and even premature death. Environmental effects. Air pollution, it has direct consequences for the environment, contributing to acid rain, smog formation, and adverse effects on ecosystems. So it is having direct consequences for the environment. It contributes acid rain. So air pollution, it contributes acid rain, smog formation. So it is a very uh, uh, dangerous effect, that is smog formation, and also adverse effects on ecosystems. It contributes acid rain, smog formation, and it is having adverse effects on environment, that is ecosystems. It is also accelerates climate change through the release of greenhouse gases. So here regulatory measures, these are important. So here the technology innovations and regulatory measures are very important to mitigate the air pollution strategies. So here, see, governments worldwide, so these have implemented regulations to control air pollution, including emission standards and vehicle inspections and promotion of clean energy These measures are essential for safeguarding public health and the environment. So here technological innovations, innovative technologies such as electrostatic precipitators, catalytic converters, and advanced air quality monitoring systems, these play crucial role in combating air pollution. Electrostatic precipitators, catalytic converters, and advanced air quality monitoring systems, these are playing a crucial role in combating air pollution. The continuous advancements, it is a key to addressing the challenge, air pollution challenge. So here public awareness, it is very important. So to mitigate the air pollution, so here raising awareness about the impacts of air pollution and promoting individual actions such as reducing energy consumption, using public transportation, and supporting sustainable practices are imperative for collective efforts in combating this issue. Global cooperation in this air pollution transcends borders, necessitating international cooperation to develop and implement effective strategies. Collaboration on research and technology, so transfer and policy harmonization, it is essential for meaningful progress. So this is noise pollution. So introduction about noise pollution. So in this presentation, we will explore the impact of noise pollution and on human health and the environment. So we will uncover the silent menace that affects millions of people worldwide. So what is noise pollution? Noise pollution, it is the presence of unwanted sound that has a disruptive or harmful effect on human health and the environment. Noise pollution, it is the presence of unwanted sound. It is the presence of unwanted sound that has a disruptive or harmful effect on human health and also environment. It includes traffic noise, industrial noise, and neighborhood noise. So the sound that what noise pollution, it includes traffic noise, industrial noise, and neighborhood noise. So what are the sources of noise pollution? The main source of noise pollution, it includes transportation. So it includes transportation. So that is road, air, rail. So three. So the transportation on road, on air, and rail. So these include. These will provide the noise pollution. So and also industrial activities and construction, recreational activities such as concerts and sports events. So here, so these are the main sources of noise pollution. First main source of noise pollution is transportation and industrial activities, construction and recreational activities such as concert and sports events. So these are the primary or main sources of noise pollution. So, what are the impacts? What are the effects on health and work productivity and environment? So, here health first we will see the health impacts of by the noise pollution. So, when exposure to high levels of noise pollution, it can lead to various health issues such as hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and stress, cardiovascular problems. So, this will lead to the issues like hearing loss, sleep disturbance, that is dizziness, and stress and cardiovascular problems. It can also impact cognitive development in children. So this is also impact noise pollution. It is also impacting cognitive development in children. So here what impact on work productivity? So noise pollution in the workplace, it can lead to decreased concentration, productivity, and job satisfaction. It can also contribute to communication barriers and stress related illness among the employees. So what impact on environment? So here noise pollution can disrupt wildlife habitats, leading to behavioral behavioral changes and also reduced reproductive success in animals. So noise pollution, it can disturb wildlife habitats. So here this is reducing reproductive success in animals, and also it can also affect the ecosystems. So ecosystems and marine life in oceans and rivers. So this is also affecting the ecosystems and also marine life in oceans and rivers. So in environmental noise pollution, it is affecting the animals. So and it is also affecting in the marine life in oceans and rivers. So what are regulatory measures and noise control measures? So government and organization, these are having these have implemented regulatory measures such as noise zoning, noise limits, soundproofing requirements to mitigate the impact of noise pollution. So to mitigate the impact of noise pollution, government organizations have implemented regulatory measures so such as noise zoning, noise limits, soundproofing requirements, and the public awareness campaigns. So these are a very crucial. These are also playing a very crucial role in regulatory measures. Noise control measures. Effective noise control measures include using sound barriers, acoustic insulation, and engineering controls in industrial settings. Green spaces and quiet zones. This can also provide relief from noise pollution. The green spaces, quiet zones, these can also provide relief from noise pollution. So here public health policies. The public health policies should prioritize the reduction of noise pollution through urban planning, transportation strategies, and building design. So here public health policy should prioritize the reduction of noise pollution through urban planning, transportation strategies, and building design. So collaboration between government and urban planners and architects, it is very essential. Collaboration between a government, urban planners, and also architects. So it is very essential for mitigating the impact of noise pollution. So here community management, engagement of local communities in noise pollution awareness campaigns. So these and noise mapping initiatives can empower residents to advocate for quieter environments. So this community engagement, it is also very important to mitigate the noise impact of noise pollution. So it fosters a sense of collective responsibility for noise reduction. So, technological innovations, educational initiatives are very important to reduce the impact of noise pollution. So, here the advancement in noise reducing technologies, and smart city solutions offer promising avenues for mitigating noise pollution. So, these innovations include noise cancelling devices, real time noise monitoring systems. So, these technological innovations, these include noise cancelling devices, real-time noise monitoring systems. So here educational initiative, this focused on noise awareness and sound management, can instill a culture of noise conscious behavior in schools, universities, and also communities. So educational initiatives, this is focused on noise awareness and sound management. Noise awareness and sound management, it instill a culture of noise conscious behavior in schools, universities, and also communities. It promotes responsible noise practices. The educational initiative, it promotes responsible noise practices. So here this is the future outlook. The future of noise pollution mitigation lies. So here the future of noise pollution mitigation lies in innovative technologies, community engagement, and also policy interventions. So by working together, we can create quieter, healthier, and more sustainable environments for all. So challenges ahead. Addressing noise pollutions, these poses challenges such as urbanization, transportation expansion, industrial growth. So overcoming these challenges requires multi-sectoral collaboration and long-term commitment. So for overcoming these challenges, so it requires multi-sectoral collaboration and long-term commitment. So in conclusion, understanding the addressing of air pollution, it is a crucial imperative for safeguarding public health and environment. Through collective action, technological advancements, and policy interventions, we can strive towards a future with a cleaner and healthier air for all. And also, noise pollution, it is a pervasive threat that demands urgent action. By raising awareness, implementing effective measures, and fostering the global cooperation, so we can mitigate its impact and create quieter and healthier communities. So for both air pollution and noise pollution, so raising awareness, implementing effective measures, and fostering global cooperation, it is very important, and we can mitigate the both air and noise pollutions, and we can create a quieter, healthier, the and also we will get healthier air for all. So from by this, I'm concluding this session. Thank you so much.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.